Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, people. This is your boy Polo with Polo Fields Lawn Service. How many of you all plant flowers? Which I know a lot of you all do. A lot of you all have your own technique of how y'all do things. Let me just show you how Polo does things really quick. Just really quick. Let's say you got a flower pot like this. You know, I haven't done anything. This is from last year. It's hard as a rock. We need to break all that stuff up, right? Let's break it up. Let me show you what I use. I have my drill, and then I have this thing right here. Got off Amazon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in here, swirl this around, and it's gonna break all this up. All done. Now I removed some of these clumps and some of these old roots from the old plants from last year. I plant begonias in here. I removed some of these things, put some fresh potting soil in here, and then go ahead and make the hole for the plant, get it cracked. This one here is the small one. This one here is the bigger one. And it fits right on the drill too. Look at that. Perfect hole. Quick and easy. I'm pretty sure some of you all do know, but if you don't know, when you have a plant, make sure you break the bottom of this up because the roots need to be broken up and loosened up down here. So we're gonna break the bottom of this up, plant it in there, and you know, we'll put water to it too when we all get done with all the rest of them. And there you have it. Quick, easy, simple. Now you can do whatever you want to do. You can use this or whatever other tool you have. I just like to use this because I have a lot of flowers to plant. So I basically can walk and drill one hole, go to the next hole, drill one hole, go to the next hole, drill one hole, go to the next hole. Everything be done. Oh, I can't forget. Got to give a shout out to the Lawn Junkie. Thank you, my brother, for the t-shirt. And that, my friends, is Planting with Polo. I thank you all for tuning in. Now, that's just some quick tips on how I plant plants. Now, let me give you a reminder. You can plant plants however you plant them. I'm not telling you there's a right and a wrong way. I'm just saying that's how I plant them because I normally have a lot of plants to plant. So I want to get the job done so that I can be able to go to the next one. But you can continue to keep doing it however you want to do it. That's your prerogative. But if you want to get that tool, only thing you got to do is just type in Auger, A-U-G-E-R, drill bit. You can go to whatever site that you want to get that on and go ahead and get that. Attach that to your drill bit, and then you'll be good to go. Now, like I said, you can do it however you want to do it, but that's how I do it because my time is limited and I want to get the job done so I can be able to go to the next one. I thank you all for tuning in. This is your boy Polo with Polo Fields Lawn Service, and y'all know the catchphrase: one thing's for sure, two things for certain. Just know that we work.